Hello everyone! Today we're gonna do last course from our Christmas menu. I'm gonna show you how you can make delicious gingerbread dessert with apricots puree and apples. So let's do it! The first thing I have to do is to bake gingerbread. So I mix flour and spices in the bowl. And I'm gonna leave the exact amounts in the description down below, so you can check it out. In the second bowl, I will mix boiling water, sugar, butter and melasses. When everything is melted and combined and the water cools down, I put eggs in and mix it properly. The last step is to mix dry and wet ingredients together. Now, I put baking paper on the tray, put the gingerbread mix inside, and I'm gonna bake it 170 degrees Celsius for around 20 minutes. Now it's time to start with apricot puree. So I have here some dried apricots, and the next thing I need is orange and lemon juice. So I squeeze 2 oranges and 1 lemon and let's cook it. I put apricots inside the pot with 1 piece of cinnamon, cover it with my juice, and I'm gonna cook it slowly until the apricots will be overcooked. If there is not enough juice, you can put some water and cook it for longer. The last step is to blitz everything inside the blender, and delicious apricot puree will be done. At this time is my gingerbread ready, so I will take it out from the oven and leave it to cool it down. Now I put almonds on the tray and bake them for a few minutes inside the oven. The next thing I have to do are poached apples. So I peel a few green apples and I'm gonna clean them and slice them into the smaller pieces. Then I mix sugar with double amount of water inside the pot with few cloves, allspice and juice from 1 lemon. Bring it to boil, put my apples in and leave them on the side to poach it slowly until they will be softer. In a few minutes, I put them inside the bowl and leave them inside the fridge to cool it down. Almonds gets a little bit color, so I take them out from the oven and leave them to cool it down as well. Then I cut few of them in the half and keep them for later. The rest I put inside the blender and mix them a little bit. At this time, I have to start freezing my gingerbread ice cream. If you wanna learn how to do it, check out my last video and watch the full recipe. At this time is my gingerbread cold, so let's cut some nice pieces. I'm gonna use a ring cutter and cut nice shape. And because my gingerbread didn't end up flat, I will make it flat myself. And because I wanna do 2 platings, I will cut one more piece with different shape. The second plating option you can watch as always on my Patreon page. Get the link in the description below. And they are ready to go. I have some gingerbread trimmings here, so I put it on the tray and I'm gonna dry it inside the oven for a few more minutes. Then I'm gonna take it out, leave it to cool it down, blitz it inside the machine, and easy gingerbread crumble is done. The last thing I have to prepare are the apples. So I take them out from the water, dry them a little bit, and coat them with blitzed almonds. Now I'll mix gingerbread crumble with almonds and I'm gonna put it on top of the gingerbread, which I brushed with melted butter before. And guys, if you like my cooking and would you like to learn from me personally, understand how to create your own dishes, or finally improve your plating skills, apply for my one-on-one online coaching on my website chefmajk.com and we can work together on your cooking skills. I see you there. On the second gingerbread, I put just a little bit of sugar and I'm ready for the plating. I start with nice piece of gingerbread on the plate. Then is coming 1 spoon of my gingerbread crumble, few poached apples with almonds, delicious apricot puree, few roasted almonds, lemon balm leaves, and finish it with amazing gingerbread ice cream. So what do you think, guys? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed today's recipe, don't forget to give a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, hit the subscribe button so you're never gonna miss any of my new video, because on this channel I'm gonna teach you every week how to cook like a pro at home. Thank you for watching and I see you soon.